Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to talk about music. Yes, music is very important in our lives. We love music, we love to listen to songs, we love to dance on the songs and we celebrate with songs, etc. etc. So it's a crucial part, a vital part of our lives, right? So today I've just thought of coming up with some vocabularies which are very basic, very general to start talking about music in English. So in this session, I'm going to come up with vocabularies related to music and I'm going to come up with sentences using those vocabularies so that it's easier for you to understand the word better and you can also start using them in your own sentences. Okay, and the last part is I'm going to talk about my favorite music. How do I enjoy music? I'm going to take up any one topic and I'm going to speak on it. In the same way, you can also start talking about music, which is your favorite music, which is your favorite song, what is your favorite time to listen to music, anything you can pick up and you can just start talking about it. Okay, remember the only motive of coming up with a topic with its vocabulary, sentences and a related topic to speak on is basically to help you to start speaking in English. And I've come up with lots of such topics so that every day you take up one topic for 30 days continuously. If you start speaking in this way in English dedicatedly without any gap, you will see a lot of difference in 30 days for sure. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this skill. Okay, so let's begin now. It's a very interesting topic, guys. We all are interested in music. So we should know how to talk about it in English also, because these are very basic conversational general topics which come up in our conversations. We do talk about it, right? And this is a great way to start a small talk or to start a conversation with anybody anywhere on this topic. So be familiar with this topic so as to speak in English with anyone, anytime on any topic related to music. Okay, let's get to the first word, which is lyrics. We all know what is a song, right? So I'll not take up that. Instead of that, I'll take up lyrics. So what is a lyrics? The words to a song or words of a song, the words of a song is called a lyrics, or the words written in a song is called lyrics. Okay, all the words written in a song is called lyrics. The lyrics of the song was very meaningful. The lyrics of the song was very meaningful. Okay, a melody. What is a melody? The main tune in a piece of music that is often sung repeatedly or more than once is called a melody. So every song has a melody, lyrics, melody, tune, etc. etc. Okay, the main piece of attraction in the song was the melody, or the main source of attraction or the main piece of attraction in the song was its melody. Okay, rhythm. A regular repeated pattern of sounds is called a rhythm. So it's basically sounds, right? The music you hear, the pattern of music which is repeated is called a rhythm. Okay, the rhythm of the song was very interesting. The rhythm of the song was mind-blowing. Another word is beat. It is also related to the music. A characteristic rhythm in some type of music. A characteristic rhythm in some type of music is called a beat. You know what a beat is, right? When we listen to a song, we understand what is a tune, what is a rhythm, what is a beat, everything. Okay, the beat of a hip-hop music is very different. The beat of a hip-hop music is very different. Okay, performance. What is a performance, right? The act of entertaining people by dancing, singing, acting or playing music is called Performance. As I told you, the live concert is going to have a lot of performance by the singers or the musicians. Okay, concert. What is a concert? A performance of music by one or more musicians or singers is called a concert. We've often heard about this, yeah. Next month there's a musical concert. Next month there's a musical concert in the city. Okay, next month there is a musical concert in the city. Okay, album. What is an album? A collection of recordings issued as a single item on a CD, record or other medium. Okay, so it's basically a collection of songs or music in a CD or any other recordings or any other medium is called an album. Okay, I have grown up listening to musical albums. I've grown up listening to musical albums, right? There were lots of musical albums which used to come during my childhood, and we used to listen to those. Now, who is a composer? A person who writes music, especially as a professional occupation. So those are called composers who write music, who write lyrics. They are called composers. They have composed a song, they have composed a music album. We say that, okay? The music composers are very creative. The people who compose a song are very creative. Okay, band. A group of people who sing together and also plays instruments. While they are playing the instrument, they are also singing the song. This is called a band. Okay, during annual events, a college band used to perform. During annual events, our college band used to perform. Okay, musician, a person who plays musical instruments. I love watching musicians in a live concert. I love watching musicians in a live concert. Okay, so guys, these are very basic general terminologies which I wanted you to know while you are speaking about music or describing about your favorite music or your favorite song or your favorite album, etc., etc. Okay, we love listening to music during free time or while working or doing anything, right? We love doing that. So that is why I thought of taking up this topic so that you know how to describe it in English also. These are very basic general conversational topics which we take up in every conversation, and it is a best medium of talking to strangers also. These are small talk topics wherein we can start a conversation with a stranger also, with anyone, anywhere. Right, so that is why it's very important. Now, coming to the third part, I am going to talk about what is my favorite music. Okay, I am very fond of music. I feel it refreshes me. Whenever I want to relax, I listen to music. Whenever I go for a walk, I put my headphone on and I listen to music. In this way, I feel refreshed and I start feeling good as well. So it's basically a feel-good factor for me. So music always refreshes me and energizes me. During festivals or parties or weddings or any function, you will hear a lot of music, right? There are lots of songs which are played, there are lots of music which is played, and everybody enjoys that. When you are having a birthday party or any celebration at home also, you try to play some soft music so that, the kids also enjoy, the elders also, everybody, basically adults and kids, everybody enjoy the party. So we play music there also so that everybody gets into the mood, the festive mood or the celebration mood. So basically it lifts up everybody's mood. And I love songs which are really soft and musical. So I love those kind of songs or those kind of music. I at times listen to pop or hip hop as well, but that is not my forte. But I enjoy all kinds of music depending on the situation, right? When I'm going to sleep or if I want to relax, I want to hear soft music and instrumental music. Okay, but during celebrations and parties and weddings and other festivities, I like to listen to some good music like hip hop or some rock music. So those kind of. So it depends on the mood, it depends on the kind of situation you are in. I think everybody has their own choices, right? What music do you love? Just talk about it in this way. So guys, I'm sure that you are going to take up this topic and you're going to speak on it. Any musical concert you have attended, any album you have watched which was your favorite, any musical album you like, right? Or any song, any music, anything you like about music or song, just speak about it. Take up the topic and start speaking about it, right? It is really going to help you a lot while having a conversation with people in English. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.